Hello friends, welcome to our Digital Big Data Hadoop training program.
In today's session, I will discuss about three concepts. Okay, one is a group, and the second one is a co-group. Okay, and the third concept, word count program. So group, we know, right? Okay, so whenever you want to apply group on specific column related, okay, then we can use a group. Okay, so if you apply on department column, then each department it will group. Okay, then why co-group is required? Okay, so initial versions basically group supported to apply on single bag or single relation. Okay, so inside that single bag you can apply on any column. Okay, so co-group, whenever you want to apply group on multiple bags, then you have to use a co-group. But in the latest versions, group also it is supporting to apply on multiple bags. Okay, so generally in the interviews they will ask what is the difference between a group and a co-group. Okay, so group it will allow you to apply on a single bag in older versions, but latest versions it is allowing to apply on multiple bags. Okay, co-group it will allow you to apply on multiple bags or relation. So practically we'll see how to apply a group and a co-group. Okay, so for that first we need data files. Okay, cd data ls. Okay, so first I will take this csv file. Okay, so at owners.csv. Okay, so here in this data file I have two columns. Okay, this is owner names, first column owner, second column animal name. Okay, so if you want to apply group, first we have to create a bag. Okay, so what I will do with this data, I will create a bag. Now here I will create a bag name owner, or I will give owners. Okay, so load data available under home cloudera data, then owners.csv, then using big storage. So here data separated by comma. Yes, first column name owner data type array, second column animal data type char array because characters. Okay, so successfully I have created a bag. Okay, now I want to group this animal column. Okay, grouping equals to my bag name grouping equals to group you are applying on which bag? Previous bag, owner's bag, by on which column? Animal column. Okay, then dump grouping. Okay, so see here cat related one group. These two are two different rows, right? It is applied one group. And again a dog, so this animal related one group, and again fish related one group. Okay, so this is about group. So if we want to apply co-group, we need two bags, right? Okay, so one bag will consider owners only. Okay, and the second bag will create now. Okay, so second bag we need again a data file. So here cat gets.csv. Okay, so I have one more data file, that is pets.csv. Okay, so for this I will create a bag. Okay, so here pets, my bag name is pets equals to load. So data file path we have to give here, then file name pets.csv. Okay, using big storage, so data separated by comma. As first column owner only. Okay, second column animal. So care here. Okay, now I have two bags, right? I have two bags, owner's bag and pet's bag. Okay, so co-group I will apply on both the bags. So we have one common column, right? Animal common column. Okay, so here co-grouping my new bag name. So co-group you are applying on which bag? So first bag name I will specify here owners. From owners bag based on which column? Animal. And then the next bag name pets. From pets bag which column? Animal. So from both the bags it will apply co-group on animal column. Okay. Co-grouping. So here if you see cat related single group. Okay. So these two from first bag, owner's bag. These two from second bag, pet's bag. Okay. So all cat related one group. Again dog related one group. Fish related one group. So this is about and cow group. Okay. Now third concept, word count program. Okay. So basically this word count program, why we have to use in real time. Okay. See, for example, if you post a video in YouTube, okay, so maybe uh, movies related they will release generally teasers, right? 10 seconds or 50 seconds. So for that video, many people generally they will give comments. Comments means like uh, good or bad, average, like this. They will give comments. Okay, so they will read comments, only comments, all the people related comments they will read. Based on that they will review and they will apply word count, like how many people given good, whether 500 members or 1000 members. Again bad word count. Okay, so how many people bad rating, and how many people commented average. Okay, so based on this they will give even review. Okay, so here I will give small example for word count. Okay, so I have one unstructured data. Okay, so maybe this is RR digital. Okay, and this is Hadoop session. So basically, this is unstructured data, right? It is kind of a paragraph, not structured data, because first row 3 columns, but second row 4 columns. So this is unstructured data. Okay, so for this data I want to apply word count, like this how many times repeated. So how many times repeated? 2 times. Okay, and is how many times repeated? 2 times. And RR digital 1 time, and Hadoop 1 time, session 1 time. So I have to load this data. At the end output I want like this. So each word how many times it is repeated, that I want to count. Okay, so for this we'll write logic, okay, using a pig. So same logic if you want to implement in MapReduce model, 3 Java classes you have to write. There it will take more time. Okay, but here within 4-5 lines you can complete within 2-3 minutes. Okay, so now we need first data file, right? I will create a new data file, okay, with this two records at greater than, okay, here word count 1 dot txt, okay, control C. Okay, so here word count 1 dot txt. Okay, so now grunt mode, here for this we have to write a program. Okay, so here lines, so my new bag name lines. Okay, load, so we have to load the data, right? First home cloudera data under data word count 1 dot txt. Okay, yes, so this is paragraph kind of. Okay, so I'm assuming that only one column for entire data. Column name line. Char array. Why char array means it will support numbers and characters. So here all words only, right? So we have to use a char array. Okay. So here I defined only one column because this is unstructured data, and also my bag name lines. So that means now this entire data available in this bag. Okay. And then for each you are applying on which bag? Previous bag. Lines. Generate tokenize of your column name. So previous column contains that data. So previous column, this one, right? Lines bag contains only line. Okay. So this result we have to store, right? So for that I have to create a new bag. So tokens. My new bag name tokens. Okay. So dump tokens. So we'll see results. Okay. So what is the use of this tokenize? Okay. That built-in keyword that we'll see now. Okay. So each word it is separated. Tokenize keyword, each word it is separated. Okay. Now next query. Flats. My new bag name flats. Okay. For each. So previous bag name tokens. So I'm applying for each on previous bag tokens. Generate. Okay. Here flatten off. So previous bag there is no column name. Only first bag contains a line column, but second bag no column. We have not defined any column. That means column name $0. Okay. So flatten. See, from tokens bag only one column we have not specified. By default backend it will assign $0. This already we discussed. Okay. Now flatten what results it is giving. Okay. Dump flats. So what is the use of flatten keyword? So flatten keyword, all the words it is placed as a single column. Previously our data row wise, but now single column wise. Okay, so use of flatten means it is arranged one by one, all the words one by one. That means single column. Next we have to apply group. If we apply group, then only each word how many times repeated that will come to know, like group we have to apply on that column. Okay, so here, so if we apply group, this related all one group, is related all one group, like that it will arrange. Okay, so groups equals to group you are applying on which bag? Previous bag. Okay, previous bag flats. Okay, by which column? So we have only one column, right? That is $0. So groups. So now all each word related one group it will apply. This related all the words one place, and is related, like that it will apply. Is related all one group. This related all one group. Hadoop related one group. So now this first column related words we need as it is, and this position related we need count. So is how same word how many times repeated means 2, and here also this 2. So counts, new bag name counts equals to, for each you are applying on which bag? Previous bag name groups. Generate. The first column we need as it is, that means $0. Second column we know, right, what that second column $1. Okay, so $1 related values we have to apply count. So count of $1. Okay, so dump counts. Okay, so here we got output, right? Is what how many times repeated? 2 times. This was 2 times. So whatever output we expected here, same it is generated. Okay, so this is about word count program. See, we just used a total only 5 queries. So this is first query, and this is second query, and this is third query, and this is fourth query, this is fifth query. So LTFGC, if you keep in mind, L means lines you have to apply here, column name. Tokens means you have to apply tokenize keyword. Flats means you have to apply flatten built-in keyword. Groups means you have to apply group for that query. Counts means for this query you have to apply count. So if you keep in mind LTFGC means easily you can implement. Okay, so even if it is a large data file also you can use the same technique. Okay, so word count program to implement in pig, just 5 lines code is required, but same if you want to implement in a Java, minimum 150 or 200 lines of code you have to implement. Okay, so this is not only word count program, even unstructured data also we processed here. See, first we have seen text files last 3-4 sessions. After that, today CSV files. Again, this unstructured data. Okay, so this is about word count program.
Please subscribe our channel for more training related videos. Thanks for watching this session. Bye friends.